school one day, it followed her to school one day, which was against